So this meadow is our second camping site, Baluka Gera, which is at a height of around 11,500 feet above the mean sea level. We started our trek in the morning from Jobri, and we had to tread through a tough track today, which was full of boulders, rocks, and at two places we had to cross the snow bridges also, small glaciers which feed these Hamta river, and en route this was a very good sight of beautiful wildflowers. And as I will show you the clips, with the increase in the elevation you will notice that the vegetation is changing. Below, at a height of 9,500 feet, we had deodars and kales, and as we climbed up to 10,500, 11,000 feet, you can see beautiful rhododendrons, birch, Jupiter, and all these small shrubs which make a beautiful sight along the Hamta river. And you can notice the size of the vegetation is now small, as this is almost a rain shadow area. This is a snowbound area. There is hardly any rain throughout the year in this region, so the tall trees are gone totally. Now we are above the tree line at this place. There is no tree here, only grass is there, and no birch and no rhododendrons also, only the grass. Now we are on the at a elevation of snow line. Now the snow line has started and the vegetation line has finished now. So this is Baluka Gera. Tomorrow morning we will start our trek from this place, and we'll go through that glacier, move to left from 3 kilometers, as you can see in this saddle, and then there is a trek of around 3 hours from that area, that point, which is around 3 kilometers from here. Another 2-hour trek from there, and then we will be at Hamta Pass.